Are you struggling to find the right people with the right skills? Are you wondering if all the great talent somehow has been sucked up by a black hole, or that somehow you missed the rapture? You're not alone. The solution might be simpler than you think. My name is Nelleke with Neil Jim Search Group. Have you considered conducting a skills gap analysis? What? A skills gap analysis. I know it sounds like a lot and intimidating, but it's a key strategy for discovering where your team is at now and where it falls short in essential skills. It also shows you how to address those gaps effectively and prepare you for the future so that you can retain and attract top talent. A skills gap analysis involves a few steps, so let's walk through them. Step 1. You need to identify critical skills. On an individual level, review everyone's job description to determine the essential skills necessary for their role. Then on a broader level, you need to determine the skills and competencies necessary to achieve the organization's short and long-term business goals. And don't forget those in-demand skills for your industry. The second step involves measuring and doing an inventory of current skills. Use surveys, self-assessments, and performance reviews to measure the current competency level of your team. Color-coded skill matrix can be super helpful. It creates a clear visual. Step 3. After collecting the data, you need to assess the current conditions in your company. Then you need to decide what your ideal future conditions will look like. Finally, ask yourself, what has prevented us so far from achieving these goals? Step 4. Now that you have all this information, you need to take action and develop and implement a plan. Start bridging the identified skills gap by developing a plan that aligns with your long-term goals. Restructure roles, train, and hire as needed. A skills gap analysis is not just for identifying shortcomings. It is about making informed decisions on hiring, succession planning, and strategic talent management. By keeping your workforce's skills aligned with industry trends, your organization will remain competitive and able to attract and retain top talent. By now you may be sick of it, but AI is here to stay. With the rise of AI and automation, staying updated on the latest developments is super important. AI can help evaluate automation opportunities, those repetitive tasks that no one likes to do. AI is also driving the need for specific skill sets across various industries. Data analysis, for example, is becoming more and more important. This skill comes in handy when doing a skills gap analysis. Identifying these new skills and integrating them into your talent development strategy allows your workforce to stay competitive. Being adaptable is crucial. Foster a culture of lifelong learning by offering a mix of technical and soft skill training programs. Empower your employees to continuously update their skill sets so they will remain relevant. But what if they leave? By being proactive, you will leave your competition in the dust, and talent from them will want to come over to you instead. A skills gap analysis is not a set it and forget it kind of deal. It's an ongoing process that you need to tweak regularly. By maintaining a flexible and adaptable approach, your organization will be competitive. You may think that's great, Nelleke, but it sounds like a lot. Our skills gap analysis toolkit is designed to stream the entire process for you. Download it now and future-proof your team today. What do you think? Comment below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more expert insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. The Best Way to Hire, where we teach you how to find talent or job hunt like a professional recruiter.